Nawaz Sharif's political ascent started in the late 1970s under military ruler General Zia-ul-Haq's regime. In 1980, Sharif was made Punjab's finance minister, benefiting greatly from family ties with Zia and business networks. After nonpartisan elections in 1985, Sharif became Punjab's chief minister, focusing on infrastructure and industrial growth. Nawaz Sharif's first term as Pakistan's prime minister began in 1990, representing the Pakistan Muslim League (N). Sharif's initial leadership emphasized privatization, reducing public sector dependence and encouraging private sector growth. He pursued economic liberalization to attract foreign investments, aiming for a robust private sector-driven economy. Throughout his career, Sharif's policies consistently reflected his commitment to economic progress and industrial development. Nawaz Sharif's government faced instability due to tensions with the military and the Pakistan People's Party. Conflicts with President Ghulam Ashaq Khan and corruption allegations led to his government's dismissal in 1993. Sharif returned to power in 1997, marking his second term with a strong political majority. In May 1998, Pakistan conducted nuclear tests, responding to India's tests, becoming a nuclear power. The nuclear tests led to international sanctions, severely affecting Pakistan's economy, especially from Western countries. Despite sanctions, Sharif pursued economic reforms focusing on privatization and industrial development, facing economic challenges. His efforts to reform the economy were hindered by the severe impact of the international sanctions,